In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Docusign signature bigger. This is a handy trick if you find that your signature appears too small on the documents you're working with. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First off, you'll want to begin by heading over to Docusign's website. Pull up your web browser and type in the Docusign URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. From here, enter your login credentials and you'll be swiftly taken to the Docusign homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to select a template for your document. If you frequently use the same type of document, Docusign allows you to choose a pre-existing template, which can really streamline the process. So go ahead, find and select the template that's right for what you need. Now that you have your template selected, you'll want to add any necessary details to your document. This might include names, email addresses, or other specifics as required. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to move forward. Click on the Next button. This will take you to a new screen where you can add fields to your document. In this section, look for the tab indicating Standard Fields. Click on it. You'll see a range of different field options, but don't let that overwhelm you. For now, focus on finding the Signature option. Click on Signature. This is the tool we'll use to adjust the size of the signature on your document. Now, here comes the key part, sizing your signature. Click on the signature field and notice there are little corner handles around the field now. You can click and drag these corners to resize the signature to your liking. If you want it bigger, simply drag outwards. Keep adjusting until it looks just right for your document. It's quite intuitive, but take a moment to ensure the size meets your expectation for clarity and aesthetic purposes. And there you have it, and your signature is now larger and more prominent on your Docusign document. Easy, right? By following these steps, resizing your signature becomes a quick and efficient task. You can now deploy your newly adjusted document as needed. If you're dealing with multiple documents, mastering this process will certainly save you time over the long run. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to share it with others who might also benefit. I'll see you in the next video. Happy signing.